Hello guys, welcome to Beauty and Balance Jewelry. My name is Alicia and we're getting ready to make some mismatched earrings. So be sure to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments how you like this video and what type of earrings you like to wear. Peace. Hey guys, welcome to Beauty and Balance. I'm getting ready to make me some earrings. I'm just going to repurpose an old set of earrings that I had and an old pendant that I had. So let's get into it. So I do have this old pendant that I have. I don't even know what it's made out of, but I've had it and I made a pendant out of it and just never used it. So I'm like, I think it's pretty because it has that green and brown. Did I say green and brown? No, I didn't. Green and brown in it, and it's like two of my favorite colors, those earth tones. So I was like, I can make some earrings with this because I just love earrings, and I've been seeing this mismatch trend going on where it's like two different earrings, like one is longer, one is shorter, or they're just really mismatched. So I wanted to try it, so I'm going to make myself some, and if you click and like and subscribe to this channel, you'll see me make some more mismatch ones that I'll be adding to my website. I thought I was going to add them to this video, but I'm not. It's already at like 7 minutes. I'm trying to do shorter videos. So yeah, I'm making this one now. I'm just making it really long. So I just want one really long, dangly one all the way down to my shoulder. So I found my chain and I have my two favorite pliers and I'm just opening them up. Now this chain, they have the little slats in them or the little slits in them where you can just open them with the jump ring. Sometimes you get the chain where you actually have to break them, and so I'm so happy that that's not the case. So I can just kind of use my two pliers to open them up. And now I'm going to get me a jump ring. There it goes right there. Add the jump ring onto the chain, and then once I'm going to open them, and once I add I'm going to add the jump ring onto the pendant. Then I'm going to add the chain. So I'm using a big jump ring. I just added a smaller jump ring on it. And then I'm going to, there's the smaller jump ring, I guess. And then I'm going to add the chain to that one. And then hook them on there. And then close the jump ring. Make sure it's secure and the chain can't come off. And then after that, I get to add my earring back, if I'm not mistaken. So there's another jump ring. There's my earring back. It's a wire back. So I'm just going to open that jump ring, and then I'm going to get thought I was going to get a smaller jump ring, but I didn't. I just going to use the bigger one and add that onto the earring with the chain and the pendant, close it up, and then I have my earring. Now in this video you see me here modeling, and I really liked it, but I just really felt like something was missing. So if you stay till the end, you'll see that I kind of revamped this one, longer one, just a little bit differently because it was just something missing. So but trying it on, I still liked it, the length of it. I just felt like it's just something missing. I just knew it was cute, but just what was missing. So I have my earring on one side, so I need to work on that other side right there to maybe see if I could do something with that one. So I'm going to take that one off. What can we do with that one? So what I decided to do was just make it a little longer. I thought about maybe doing some extra stuff, maybe some wire wrap or something like that, but I was just trying to do it quick because I'm actually wearing these earrings that day. So like I was actually making them because I was getting ready to head out, maybe run some errands or something. So I was trying to make it a quick thing. So I know another thing. I'm switching out the silver with the gold. So they originally had a silver wire back and a silver jump ring, and I'm switching them out with the gold so it can match the other earring. So I gotta get ready to open that jump ring, and then I think what I'm going to probably do, I should be adding some chain on there somewhere up in here. I am actually kind of blindly voice overing this, even though I know what I did. I didn't really like playing any script, so I'm just literally blinding, voicing over this as I watch it. And since we're looking, let's check out the affirmation that says, today I choose to be happy and embrace loving myself abundantly. And that's the affirmation that a lot of you guys are getting if you're ordering from us. So hope that you love that one. So yeah, there's the chain. So it's not going to be a really long piece. It's just because remember they're uneven, and it's just like I just like the whole different earring mismatch vibe. Each earring can really tell a story if you want it to be. I just really love that. So I'm going to add a little chain onto it just to make it a little bit longer than what it was, and then have that gold accent to it. There's a big jump ring. I say big because I don't know the exact inches or centimeters, but it is like one of the bigger jump rings that I use. The other ones are kind of smaller. So that's why I keep saying big jump ring, just relative to like what I have here. So I have that, adding the chain on to the jump ring. And then I'm going to close that jump ring off. Close it up. Close it off. You can say off too, I guess. And then I think that was it for this one. I have my little, I think these came with some Adinkra earrings I got. So I don't even know if this is an Adinkra or not. I think it's just the African Girl. So there it is. It's a little bit longer than it was before. And I like it, but I just still not feeling that long one on the other sides. Not feeling it. It's like something's missing and I just don't know. But I really do like it though. It's just, I knew I was going to do something. So there they are together, really cute, really demure, just a little authentic. But there we go with the other pair because I was like, something's just missing. So what I decided to do, I was making earrings. If you subscribe to this channel, I'll be adding an earring video as well where I made some earrings. And so, hold on, I was making repurposing something. And so I feel like it was another pair of earrings. Yeah, it is. It's another pair of earrings that I was making for you guys. So I did some mismatch earrings that I'm going to sell to you guys so you can enjoy this whole mismatch vibe as well. So I'm making some custom ones. So I took that piece, that wire wrap round piece right there that I was making with the earrings that just didn't work out. And I'm adding it to another layer to the earring. So it'll be 2 layers. So you'll have that first layer, then the little round wire wrap ring, and then some more chain, then the earring back. So just something simple. I didn't do nothing too big, just to make it just a little different. So let's try them on now with the difference in the earrings. I really like them. Just something simple, but different. And I just really like that long piece hanging on there. I really love that I can make my own jewelry when I feel like it. Like I don't have to run to the beauty supply store anymore. I don't have to do any of that anymore. And I love it.